Scylla Review 2025. Is it the right cloud security platform for you? Most people get cloud security wrong by relying on traditional firewalls. Scylla in 2025 is a cloud-native security platform designed for modern, distributed networks. It provides secure internet access, private application connectivity, and real-time threat detection. You won't believe what happens next. It uses AI to block malware and phishing attacks instantly, reducing the risk of breaches. Scylla also supports Zero Trust network access, ensuring that only authorized users access sensitive applications. The surprising truth is that this approach simplifies security management and enhances compliance for remote teams. Integration with cloud applications like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace is seamless, and dashboards offer visibility into traffic, threats, and user activity. While pricing can be higher than legacy solutions, the scalability and automated protection justify the investment. In conclusion, Scylla is ideal in 2025 for companies moving to cloud-first operations and remote work environments. If you want robust, scalable, and automated cloud security, Scylla is a strong choice to protect your organization effectively.